Hi everyone, my name is Mike Mello. I'm a broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. We're here today in the Palms at Serenoa, and we're showing you some of the model homes they have available. Now, this one behind me is the Clifton Model. It's 1,816 square feet. It's currently set up as a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You can possibly make it into 3 bedrooms if you closed in their little den area. And it's the pricing on this, we're in October of 2021. You're looking at the high 300s for this. They do build them and then sell them. This model does have a lot of upgrades they don't even offer. So just keep that in mind when we look through this home. Now, if you are interested in checking out this home, if you're like looking at model homes for ideas for your house, or if you like our luxury, we also have a luxury home channel and a Casas Nuevas channel. We'll link that below as well if you enjoy watching these videos. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about this house and go inside and show you. So as we come in, we have a really nice elevation, which is the outside of the house. We have some nice wood planking there, and of course the shutters. And then we come up to this door. It's like a grayish bluish door. We have a smart doorbell, and then also a combo going into the actual home. So let's go ahead and go inside and show you the home. All right, welcome into this home. So as I come through and close this door behind me, of course, you probably get a solid door. That's what the base home comes with, is a solid door. But you do have this little window above it that gives them some natural light. So the first thing I noticed is that we do have some upgraded tile here, this wood-looking tile, definitely upgraded. What you typically will see is a carpet in most of the areas with regular tile in this area. But what they do right now is they build out houses and they design them, and then when they're ready to go, they release them. So a lot of them already have the colors and things picked. That may change in the future. It just depends on how supply and demand works. In the housing market right now, there's a lot more demand than supply, so they're just pushing them out a little bit faster. So over here on this side, I love this accent wall. This is something you'd have to do after the fact. You just have a regular wall here, but they have these sort of wood planks here giving it a really good texture. Above me is a light fixture, your entryway light, which is really neat. Now, if I go left, I'm going to show you, this is bedroom number 2. It's a nice size bedroom for this size house. It's 1,816 square feet, but we do have a nice size, looks like a queen size bed here with end table on your side. I love these light fixtures, something that you'd probably buy at like Lowe's or Home Depot after the fact if you had the pendant light stuff. Actually, I think it's just plugged into the wall through here, so there's actually no wiring behind the wall. That's pretty cool. And then over here, we do have a closet. It has the bulb bearing part on the top. And then you open it up, and sometimes we get asked who does all the designing with this specific builder. Looks like City Furniture Design Studio. It's www.cityfurniture.com. So if you're interested in who designs these specific homes. So let's go ahead and go this direction. We do have the bathroom here. Oh, this is cool. I like this. This one's got some really neat wallpaper. This sort of really does well with this room, I think. And then we have our tub, white tile, and of course the wallpaper all the way around. We have our toilet here. This really cool little art design thing, metal sculpture. And of course we have our little sink area, cabinets, nice countertop, mirror, and then also the light. Now over here behind the camera, we do have a door. Let's open it up and see what's always a surprise what's behind the door. I think that towel closet, and then you can also put vacuums and stuff down there as well. So, all right, let's go ahead and go this direction. You can sort of see how this accent wall looks. And then we come to, this is our little office, hangout area, game room area. They got these really cool shelves with like piping on it, and they do have some wood beams on the ceiling. I don't even know if the builder even offers that. It's probably something that was done by their interior designer. That's probably not something the builder does, but they have a caulkboard here, some really cool little things. So like I said in some of the other videos, if you want some good ideas for your home, this is it. It looks like they've painted this with the chalkboard thing, so you can write on the walls here and then erase it. And then of course the corkboard here. So pretty cool. Nice window behind me too. So let's go ahead and go this direction. We have 3 doors here, so we got to figure out what these 3 doors are. So this one, I think it'll be the garage. So let's open it up and see. Yes, that is the garage, a nice 2-car garage. Got good space on either side, so you can open those doors up or put some storage on the side of the garage. And then we probably have an air handler. I think maybe here's the air handler. Yep, there's the air handler. And then we probably have storage here. This is probably your coat closet when you come in. Yep, so you can put your coats there. And then of course we have this little area here that you can put a desk in, drop zone. You can do whatever you want with it. They just have a little cabinet and a couple pictures. So, and check this out. This is the living area. I do like this. For this size house, I like how this flows. I like how the family room is here. I like how the design of the curtains are with the white and the looks like golden browns, and then the wallpaper over in the dining room with the different furniture design. So obviously not part of the house, but it gives you some really good ideas of how to make a house a home by making these sort of little changes here. So we have a dining room set. They can fit 8 people at this dining room set, so plenty of space. They have the basic light above us. You can also change that, and I would just do that at like Lowe's or Home Depot after the fact. And then over here we do have a nice slider, and then they have a patio. This one they did extend the patio and put a little fire pit out there. So that was something a little extra. You're probably looking at $8,000 to $10,000 to do that sort of little design there. Probably have to do it after the fact as well. Over here is the kitchen. So, wow, these plates are pretty neat. They got home, yum, and gulp. So, cool little design. But here we go. We got nice countertops. We have the cabinets. These are nicely upgraded cabinets. You can tell by the way the design is. And then, yeah, it does also have the soft close. Beautiful granite countertop here. And then, of course, this gray backsplash going all the way around. Whirlpool, why can't I say Whirlpool? Whirlpool appliances throughout, range, microwave, and then all the cabinets going around. Here's the pantry. Let's open it up and see what is behind this door. So we have some bottles. Hey, Sandy. Sandy's doing all our filming today. She likes to get those little bottles and decorate them and sell them at craft fairs. So maybe you should link your stuff down underneath there too, see if anyone likes to buy some of your bottles. But anyway, here's a Whirlpool refrigerator. And then, yeah, so that's the kitchen. So we got the laundry room. And then after the laundry room, we had the primary bedroom. So here is the laundry room. Here you got a nice door. That's a good size. Love the wallpaper with the old-fashioned Daily Herald newspaper. And then of course you have your washer and dryer. They don't include the washer and dryer, but you have plenty of space for the washer and dryer, and even more space on this one here. So you definitely have plenty of space. You got our home, our life, our story, our love, our children, our dreams. This is us. Cool. And then also a little coat hanging thing. They have the actual technology thing behind here for all your internet stuff. So, okay, here is the primary bedroom suite. Oh, they've done this one pretty nice. They have a couple wallpaper on either side, woodworking going around, and then this like sort of mustard color paint. It does well, especially with this comforter set with the black and the white, and then of course with the accent color that sort of matches the actual wall there. Above me, they've done something really simple with the ceiling. They've done woodworking around, and they changed that color into like a light yellow color. So that's probably like maybe like $50 worth of stuff, and got a really cool design for it. I mean, you don't have the tray ceilings, but it gives you the actual idea of a tray ceiling. We've got the nice window outside looking out. And then of course, this is the active adult community. They have a cool amenity center as well. If you want information on that, let us know. And then of course, here is the closet, plenty of space, closet here. So, and the last thing is the bathroom. So let's go ahead and go over to the bathroom. And we go from carpet, we go back to that tile. We got plenty of doors here. So let's see here. This is the towel closet door. So you have your towels there. This is probably your water closet. Yeah, so we'll show you that in a second. It's a water closet. But on this side, we do have 2 sinks, nice countertop. Of course, all these beautiful cabinets, definitely upgraded cabinets, nice size mirror, and then of course the lights. And then we do have, we have 2 closets. Didn't realize that. So we have, this one's a big, that other one was a pretty big closet, and this one here is even bigger. So this is one, like if you have a lot of stuff, like a lot of clothes, this home really does it. The bigger house we were just at is like 2,042 square feet. That one, this one's 1816. That one has much smaller closets in the primary bedroom. This one here is huge. So you can like go to IKEA and get this all done with the proper closets instead of those wire racks. And then here's the shower, got the chrome fixture around it. So plenty of space. And then of course, the water closet was right there, nice and private. So you go in there and shut the door and you're all good to go. So that's his house. If you haven't done already, make sure you like our videos and subscribe to our channels, whether you're looking to buy a house or if you just enjoy watching these videos. We definitely appreciate it. And then of course, if you are interested in buying a home or selling, or even interested in real estate and you're in the Florida area, give us a call. My number is 407-487-3030. I am a broker associate, co-owner of Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.